When we first heard about the Lyro, we didn't really know what to expect. Open-back headphones are usually about detail and soundstage, not earth-shaking bass. So when Lero claimed to be the first in the world to deliver reference-grade bass that fully meets Harman target curves, our curiosity went through the roof. Add to that a rotary sound curve switch, something we've never seen before in any headphone, and we knew this wasn't just another safe release. After spending real time with these headphones, we've got a lot to say. So let's dive into our full hands-on experience with the Lero, covering design, comfort, sound, unique features, and of course value. Right away, the Lero stands out for being incredibly lightweight. At just 112 grams in headband mode, or an even lighter 82 grams when worn neck-mounted, these are among the most comfortable headphones we've used in a long time. We tested them during long listening sessions, sometimes stretching to 3 or 4 hours, and there was practically no fatigue. The build doesn't feel cheap despite the low weight. The housing is made from aerospace-grade aluminum, giving it a sturdy, resonance-free frame while keeping things minimal. The foldable design was another pleasant surprise. Most open-back headphones are bulky, desk-bound tools. The Lero, though, folds up neatly, making it easy to slip into a bag. We didn't feel like we had to baby it or worry about hinge weakness, which is reassuring for a foldable headphone. Let's talk about the feature that grabbed our attention right away, the rotary sound curve switch. This is the world's first of its kind, a small mechanical dial on the headphones that lets us instantly switch between two acoustic profiles. One mode boosts bass by 8 decibels, while the other adds 2 decibels in the treble. The magic here is that it's purely analog, no DSP, no EQ apps, no risk of degrading the signal. It's just a clean, hardware-level change. In use, it feels seamless. Switching between modes is quick, and it genuinely changes the character of the headphones. With the bass boost engaged, hip-hop, EDM, and cinematic tracks came alive with rumbling depth. It's not bloated or boomy. The bass remains tight, extending deep without muddying the mids. Then, flipping to the treble boost, we noticed more air and sparkle in acoustic tracks, vocals, and strings. It's not just a gimmick. The switch adds practical flexibility for different genres and moods, and it's one of the cleverest touches we've seen in headphones at this price. Now, the real question, how do these actually sound? The claim of meeting Harman's reference bass curve isn't marketing fluff. We put them through tracks we know inside out. Songs with tricky low-end, layered mids, and soaring highs. And what impressed us most was that the bass presence is there in an open-back design without sacrificing clarity. That's rare. Most open-backs lean light in the low end, but the Lero hits with proper authority. The frequency response is wide, from 2 Hz all the way up to 40 kHz. Of course, we can't hear the extremes, but the overall impression is effortless. The mids are clear and natural, placing vocals and instruments right where they should be. Highs extend smoothly, with just enough bite to keep things lively without straying into harshness. Even with the treble boost, we didn't notice unpleasant sibilance. Total harmonic distortion is rated at less than 0.05%, and it shows. Even in dense, complex tracks, think big orchestral scores or electronic music packed with layers, the sound never felt congested. Micro detail comes through, and the open-back design makes the stage feel wide and airy. Positioning is excellent too, whether in music, gaming, or movies. The Lero is expected to launch at around $250, with crowdfunding backers getting roughly a 30% discount. That means you could get them for under $200 if you're an early supporter. In terms of performance, we'd easily compare them to open-back headphones in the $300 to $500 category. For anyone looking for open-back spaciousness without giving up bass authority, this could be one of the best price-to-performance options right now. After spending time with the Lero, we came away impressed. These aren't just another crowd-funded pair of headphones. They're doing something new, and doing it well. Between the reference-grade bass, The innovative rotary sound curve switch, the ultra-light design, and the clean, detailed sound, this feels like a genuinely fresh take in a market where most releases play it safe. For around $250, or even less if you catch the crowdfunding discount, the Lyro offers performance and versatility that rivals models well above its price point. If you've ever loved the openness of open-back headphones but wish they had real bass weight, this is the one to watch.